Hello, you guys. My name is Tamara, and on this side of the internet, we talk about all things faith, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that is your vibe, stay tuned. All right, you guys, we're going to jump right into it. Today, I will be sharing with you tips and tricks on how to elevate your workwear this 2025 year. So starting with tip number one, it's going to be an oversized blazer. Now, an oversized blazer is definitely going to take your look from boring to cool. It's just something about an oversized blazer that makes you look elevated and effortless all at the same time. Now, you can always buy a regular blazer. I do advise that it's a structured one so that you don't look sloppy, but like a structured blazer and go up a size to get that same oversized look. Now, some of my favorite places to shop for an oversized blazer, honestly, is the thrift store. Some other great stores are going to be the Frankie shop. Sometimes you can find some at Zara and honestly, Express. Actually, you'll be surprised. But an oversized blazer, you can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with denim, trousers, whatever the vibe may be, and it's definitely going to make your outfit a little bit more interesting this year. Tip number two is going to be the perfect sweater. So not any sweater, but the perfect sweater. Truly, I never used to be a sweater girl, but then came the Kate sweater. Now, I don't have the Kate sweater, but I love the silhouette of the Kate sweater, and that definitely has allowed me to become more of a sweater girl. Now for work, you're gonna always need a sweater, whether you need to cover up something that may be too much for work or maybe slightly inappropriate, or you just need to be warm because your workplace is cold, okay? So you're definitely going to need a sweater. I would say a sweater is something you're gonna get a lot of use out of. I do recommend that you maybe get some neutral colors like your creams, your browns, your neutrals, so that you can get the most bang for your buck. Now, what kind of sweater do I recommend? I did say the K effect. So specifically ones that kind of cinch in at the waist and kind of flare out. I find that that style of sweater is the most flattering on everyone. Like literally, it doesn't matter what your body type is. Now, the Kate sweater also have a flare or like a belled sleeve. I don't think it necessarily matters if the sleeves are flared out or have that bell effect, but I do think what will make your sweater not look so matronly and grandma-ish is how the sweater fits you and complements your body. I definitely think that's what's going to kind of elevate your sweater game and elevate your look. I am definitely going to recommend sweaters that have the Kate effect. And I'll make sure to link a few below from some of my favorite brands. So make sure to check out the description box. Okay, next is going to be a white t-shirt. Now, I don't care if you work at the most formal place or the most casual place. I think a white t-shirt is a must-have in every wardrobe, but not any white t-shirt, a good white t-shirt. Now, the reason why I emphasize on a good white t-shirt is because if it's not a good quality, you're going to look cheap. You're gonna look super cheap from head to toe. Like it's just gonna cheapen your look. But a good quality white t-shirt can give a comfortable, casual, effortless look that can allow you to still feel put together and look put together. Now, your white t-shirt should have some weight to it. It should have some thickness to it. And it should really complement your body type. As you can see, I talk about body type a lot because it's important for you to wear things that looks good on you, not just that you see other people are wearing. So for example, a good white t-shirt could mean, a V-neck for some people. It can be a crew neck for some. For some, it can be a cap sleeve or a 3/4 sleeve. It really just kind of all depends on what looks good in your body type and what makes you feel the most confident and comfortable. A white t-shirt, you can wear it with a skirt, with denim, with trousers. Honestly, you can even use your t-shirt as a layering piece, as a third piece to maybe go under something. So really, you can never go wrong with a good, emphasis on good, on a good white t-shirt. Next, I am going to talk about the pencil skirt. Now, I think when you think about workwear, immediately you think about trousers and you think about a pencil skirt, especially when it's like in that suit material. Now, you can still have fun with your pencil skirt without it being so boring and feeling so extremely corporate. So one of the ways that you can do this is by having a pencil skirt in a different material or texture. So for example, a leather pencil skirt. This can even be like in fringe. This can be in like, I don't know, even like in a sweater material if it's fall or winter or something like that. There are so many different kinds of pencil skirts that can allow your look to feel elevated, fun, and still allow you to express your sense of style through your workwear and still be professional. So for sure, a pencil skirt is something that you're gonna need in your workwear wardrobe this year. And I think we all have a leather pencil skirt that we can pull out and wear for work if we want to. Next, I want to talk about denim. So denim is definitely something that you probably wear to work sometimes here and there, but I do think for work there are certain kinds of denims that are more appropriate or most appropriate. So for example, these are going to be denim that actually have no rips and no tears and that are not super duper tight. I think when they have rips in it or if they're super tight, this is when you lose that kind of professional look. The jeans that I would recommend for work would be more like a mom jean or a denim that is high-waisted and has a little bit of a flare to it, a little flare at the bottom, and that is not so tight. These are the kind of denims that I think is very easy for you to dress up if you need to. You can pair your denim with a blazer, a blouse, and a belt. Very easy, and elevate that denim like you are wearing a pair of trousers. And if you really want to make your denim like top tier and not give denim vibes, go for a darker wash. A darker wash definitely has a way of feeling a little bit more formal and not as casual as a light wash denim. So highly recommend denim that is of a darker wash. Okay, so next I want to talk about those lazy days. Listen, we all have them when you just don't have the energy to put together an outfit. You don't have the brain capacity. You don't have the time to put together an outfit. Honestly, you just need to put something on, feel good, feel confident, and leave your house. So on days like this, you are going to need a uniform of some kind. And I recommend either a dress and or a jumpsuit. Now, a dress is perfect because you can just put it on. You put it on and go. If you want to zhuzh up your dress, you can put on a belt. You can put on an oversized belt, a skinny belt. You have so many options. You can put on some heels. You can put on some tennis shoes. Like, I feel like a dress, you can make it whatever it needs to be. And then you have your jumpsuit. Now, the jumpsuit is also perfect because it's comfortable. Let's say you don't want to wear a dress because you're not a dress girl, or a dress may not be, the best for your work environment. Then maybe you need a jumpsuit. And a jumpsuit does not have to be super casual. So I will be sharing with you a few jumpsuits that you can wear that are quite on the formal side or business casual side that is definitely appropriate for the work environment. And as you know, the jumpsuit does all the talking for you. You literally don't have to do anything else. Maybe put on a few accessories, a necklace, some earrings, your bag, honey, and you are out the house, okay? So those are gonna be my suggestions for those lazy days. Next, I would like to talk about a few important accessories that are going to be a must-have to elevate your outfit, starting with a belt. Now, I have spoken about belts before on my channel. A belt is it really just has a way of allowing your outfit to look more polished, put together, complete. And sometimes a belt could be that third piece that you need to zhuzh up your outfit. This can be done with a oversized belt, oversized waist belt that maybe you put on a skirt, that you put on a dress. And even if it's not an oversized belt, if it's just a regular belt that you put around your waist with your trousers, with your jeans, it's just gonna allow your look to feel and look complete. Next are going to be pointy heels slash kitten heels. So I put them in the same category. Really, it's the pointy heel effect. The pointy heel, I don't know what it is, but immediately you just look more put together. It looks like you put forth more effort, even if you really did not. It's just going to give that effect. And even if your outfit is super boring, let's say you were wearing denim and a white t-shirt and you just put on some leopard print pointy heels or some red pointy heels, honey, it's gonna look like you tried. It's gonna be giving fashion girl, okay? Now, here is the caveat. Since you're going to be at work, I would recommend a kitten heel, because you also need to be practical and make sure that you are comfortable. Now, if you're not a kitten heel girl, then go ahead, girl. Go ahead and pull out your inches and just wear your stiletto. You can do that. But if you also want to think about practicality, then I would also recommend a kitten heel. Now, if you're not a kitten heel girl, but you still want to be comfortable, so you are in conflict, you can still wear a kitten heel and people wouldn't even know, especially on the days that you are wearing your long pants, trousers, flared pants, a maxi skirt. All you're gonna get is the effect of the heel, of the pointy heel, without seeing the actual heel. So truly, I think a pointy kitten heel is always going to be a win-win situation. Another pair of shoe style that you would need in your wardrobe to make sure that you are elevating your workwear is a cool flat, or a flat that has, the potential to bring some flair to your outfit. So for example, this can be mesh ballet flats or chunky loafers, and I love both because they have a way to just kind of provide some visual interest to your outfit, so your outfit doesn't just feel boring or fall flat. And even a very simple and casual outfit, it has the ability to elevate and make it feel a little bit more intentional with having some kind of a flat that is interesting, whether it's through the pattern like the mesh flat, or through the style of the shoe, like through the chunkiness of a loafer, for example, or even texture like a patent leather kind of flat. So those are just a few examples on some flat styles that you can incorporate in your wardrobe this year to elevate your work wear, okay? Do not neglect your shoes. All right, you guys, so that is going to be it for me. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button so that I know that you guys like this style of content and I can make sure to share more content like this. I would love to hear which tip you guys will be using this year for your workwear, or what tip were you already using. I would love to hear from you guys. I hope to see you guys soon. Ciao.